Hey, this is Scott from Weeder's Digest, and today we are featuring the SureTech BioCatalyst product. If you're looking for a way to increase the efficacy of your herbicide or algaecide by up to 4 times, this is the product to add into your dosage. It serves as a natural booster. What does that mean? Well, it's kind of like an exfoliator. With an exfoliation, you break down the plant and you make that plant more vulnerable to receive more of an algaecide or a herbicide, and that's what this product does for you. It speeds up the breakdown of dead weeds, and by the way, if you just add a herbicide or algaecide, you do not get that effect. You're just killing a weed and it's dropping down into the bottom. This will clarify your water, it reduces the need for multiple repeated dosages, and you can use it on not just filamentous algae, but you can use it on other submerged aquatic plants. It can even be used by itself to help again break down that dead, decomposing algae or that dead floating debris and more. This is the SureTech BioCatalyst. It's all natural, it's environmentally friendly, and it's available at weedersdigest.com today.